Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is A7028. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, chrome bumper and grille. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped with all-terrain tires, and you can see that those tires are brand new. They still have the chalk lines. We're going to take a look underneath as well, just to show you the lift kit, show you how clean it is. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end. You have factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. GM bed liner here keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touch screen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.